Hello everyone, welcome back again. So we're in the start of July now, and it's been a while since I've given you an update on the Polytunnel, so thought I'd go ahead and do a quick little video on it. So this is the Polytunnel that we built over the winter and the beginning of spring after the old one blew away. Let's have a look, see what we've got going in here so far. So got all my garlic hanging up drying here and down here, and then we've got some more rounds and a few of the smaller slots there. But to start with, I've added this mesh for cucumber to climb up. We've got one of them in here, and then tomatoes in pots with the bottoms cut out, and I've buried a plant pot in between all of them, except for this one. I still need to do this one, so I can water them from there rather than watering on the top here. But we've got a Shirley, that one needs tying up, but all the rest have been tied up. Lucid Jam, a Rebel Starfighter. Sorry about that, guys. Then we've got 3 Orange Wellington. This one has already got one on it. The other's starting to flower. Another Orange Wellington. And at the back there we've got one of the Domingo. And on the opposite side we've got 3 Sun Gold, another Shirley and another Domingo. And then in between all them we've got all sweet peppers down the side here, and in the back are a mixture of Corno de Toro and Hamilic, and there is a couple of mini bell peppers in there as well, but all of them starting to get peppers on them now. Some at the back here. And tying these up, I've just screwed these battens along here, ran a string line down, looped it to the bottom of the pot, and just wrapped the plant around as they grow. Right then guys, so that is the new Polytunnel. It's everything that's growing in there at the moment. I haven't got too much going on in there, with everything that's happened over the past few months. I just haven't had time to deal with much. So I missed the main planting times of May and June, so I never got a lot of stuff out, but we've still got quite a lot going on in here, and the other Polytunnel is full as well. We'll have another look at that in a separate video. So if you could, please hit that subscribe button down here, and make sure you hit that like button and drop me a comment below.